Okay, I discovered this desk about a week and a half ago while I was at Costco. And if I'm saying it right, I believe it's Tresanti. And it's an adjustable height desk. It's 47 inches wide. It has programmable buttons here. You can just, basically it's touch sensitive and it'll give you the height and all that. You're gonna see that when I demonstrate it later. It's got USB connectors on the side if you want to charge. Got this drawer here. So anyway, I'm going with this because a long time ago, and when I say a long time ago, I mean about close to 14 years ago, I started putting my computer on the top of a tall dresser so that I would be standing when I was working on the computer. With this, I would have less space to put that junk. I'm a little concerned that they show only a laptop computer sitting on here, so it kind of makes me feel like they didn't basically set this thing up to handle the weight of an iMac, a 27-inch iMac to be technical. But all I'm going to put on this desk is my computer, these M-Audio speakers that are here, and the scanner, and that's it. Everything else will be somewhere else. So, about to get started here, gonna run a time-lapse video. Run a quick test here, see how we're gonna film. This is my trusty helper here, Stepan, my wonderful son. He's going to help me with this, put this desk together. I don't know if I want to zoom up with it. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Okay.
Scissors.
Alright, here we go. Gosh, I wish we had time lapse here. Okay, hang on. Here's the... We're not going to rip the box. Watch this. You're going to get on one side, I'll get on the other.
And we will turn it over?
No, we're not going to turn it over. Watch. Do just like this. Put your fingers there.
Oh, right.
Keep lifting.
This is hard. This is hard. That was heavy.
Okay. Let's here.
This throw. This throw. And here are the instructions and the bolts.
We have this part here. We're just going to lift this out. Okay. Wow. This is obviously the legs. Can you take the cardboard and all these little pieces of cardboard, can you go set them behind that door there?
Okay.
All this on the floor here too.
Okay.
We're making this video take longer than it should.
How long is it going to be?
Well, it depends on how long it takes us to put this thing together. All right, this is the lift. This is the motorized lift section of it.
This is the cable where you will charge your phone.
Well, not
plug it into the thing. So
not necessarily. Hang on one second.
Yeah,
no, where you plug it in is on the side of the desk, Stepan.
oh yeah.
That's just the power.
Yeah, that's the power cord.
Yeah. Don't worry about it. There's just these two main pieces, so it shouldn't take that long to put this together. Underneath, you've got the brick, which is like the power for the desk. Powers it also. These will plug into the bottom. I mean, they're plug into those connectors there for the lift. So this is not going to take that long. Time lapse would have been better, but it's not a big deal. We're going to get this done. So, alrighty. It says do not remove the pads. So here we go. Okay, so there was one more piece. This is the feet to the desk. There's two pieces. All right.
Let me show you.
So this is it. What you're seeing here, and these are the only 3 steps we have to do. I was looking at the big book, or the larger manual, but not the quick start.
So it just shows that
just these.
It has a drawer.
Yep. So anyway, we will go ahead, they give you this with it. Yep. Oh God, it's too easy. All right, so instead of wasting video and wasting your time, I'm gonna bolt these down here and bolt those there, and then I will come back.
Bye.
Okay, here we are. Unfortunately, it's taking a while to, I got the drill, as you can see. Show them the drill, Stefan. So I just got this drill, and it gets on some of the bolts, but it's kind of a tight spot here. So I'm doing the rest by hand. I've gotten most of it done, but just to show you.
It smells like smoke after the drill.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. All right, so this one I could actually do with the, I finish that off with the drill.
Joe, why is this here?
It's just some of them look crooked.
Yeah, they do.
And I was careful to not cross. I put them all in by hand.
Yeah.
So you want to put them in by hand at first.
But then do it with the drill.
I even started to the best of my ability with this Allen wrench. I just gotta say, I understand that there's a reason why everyone uses these things, but I hate to see them.
Joe, what does this do?
That locks it so that it won't get opened.
Oh, like this. We gotta do like
Correct.
this to each one.
Yeah. If you want, you can thread those in. Just be careful, don't knock it over.
Can you give him the wrench?
You don't need the wrench right now. Do it by hand. Just put them in. Film that. So here's what he's doing. These holes here. Oops. And he's going to thread the bolts in there.
That's enough for fingers.
Good job. Diagonally first, okay? Always.
Okay.
It's a good way to make sure you've got it lined up.
For now.
Okay, while he's still working on that, we have pretty much gotten this done on the other side. So while he works on that, I'm going to go on and finish this off with the drill. I always go diagonally.
And then we'll for now finish this with this.
Nice and tight.
Nice and tight.
All right, here, let me finish it.
Okay.
Good job. All right. Good job, good job.
How are we gonna turn it over?
And then we plug in these things here, which I'm... Zoom up here.
I don't know how we're gonna pick it up.
I'm gonna pick it up.
Oh my god.
So we're gonna plug these in.
Joe, what about that cable?
That goes into the wall. Is that right? I guess that's it. Doesn't seem like it.
That's it.
That's it.
Ooh. Nope, nope. More back.
The glass. I mean the drawer. All right, that's
For
it.
now,
Now go on and press one of the buttons. Okay, that's what you hold. Now take your finger and hit H4. This should bring it to the top.
To the very, very top.
Wow. Yep, that's the top. Stefan's a little over 4 feet.
Here.
I'm right at 6 feet. If that shows.
Okay.
Probably not.
Now I will show you H1.
Yeah, the gist of it.
And this, for me, it's up to my ear.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Almost to my belly button. Now we will pull out this.
And no, not yet. Don't pull that out yet. Demo this. Yeah, so you can pull it out in a second, but show the chair, what it's like when you're sitting at it. It's an old chair, but whatever. We're gonna get out of the chair thing anyway.
And he will give it to me.
So there is if you're sitting at it. All right.
And this is if you want it higher. You just hold it until how you want it.
Right.
Like if this are too high or too low, you can just hold this up and down. So
yeah, you can get it.
You can press and it will go to your height.
Right.
How you want it.
All right. Now you can pull those things out of the drawer, so you can open the drawer and show them the drawer.
And this is the drawer.
Not a fan of glass tops, but it is what it is with this desk.
So this is for...
You got to leave that padding in there. But they actually say that you can put your... Where's the laptop? Is it downstairs?
Yes.
It is. Anyway, like a MacBook Air or MacBook Pro will easily slide in here.
Wait.
I even believe that I could fit my old MacBook Pro in there, my Silver Key MacBook Pro, which is pretty thick, but it's not super thick. It's just big and heavy. But anyway, that's what you can do here. Obviously, you can place things like here's a standard size iPad, not the iPad Pro, but just the iPad Air 2. So you see that fits in there. These are for your pens and stuff. I will probably put like a hard drive in there.
Here is how big is the MacBook.
That's a 13-inch MacBook Air.
And it's like, and this is even
Don't slam
big.
it, yep.
And this is too big for it. So.
Okay. And then pull it back out real quick, and then watch this. If you wanted to, you don't have to do this because it can get cramped, but you can put your iPad and your MacBook.
Or you can just do like this, wait. Or you can just do like this.
Yep, and then you can open it.
Wait, yeah, you can do like...
Right.
Oh, I need a computer. Pull it out.
Mm-hmm.
Do like this.
Right.
Open it. Open it and do your stuff then.
Right.
When you're done, put it back.
And as crazy as it seems, I'm going to put it in this corner here. That's where I'm going to place the desk. So basically I'll be facing outward and kind of look out the window when I want. It'll just be better, I think. So
Can I have
that's
this
it.
chair?
Yeah, we'll talk about it. Yeah, we'll see.
For
I gotta
now,
get.
until we get new
Let me get another
chairs.
chair. Yeah. Okay. All right.
So,
Okay. All right. Sounds good. All right. Thanks for watching this video. Please, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. We will
answer them.
Yeah, we will answer them. You can. I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to our channel, because we're going to be putting all sorts of anything that we buy. We're going to be doing reviews on it. I have like lots of reviews I'm going to do for. I have a video review that I've already done a review for these headphones. These are AKG headphones. I've also got this thing here. It's like a little tripod and selfie stick for your iPhone 6, 8 Plus, whatever.
And I will give you the details if you want to buy this desk.
All right.
They sell this at Costco for $300.
That's right. It's on sale there right now. So if you go online, it's more than $300. But if you go in the store and pick it up, It's $2.99, and it's a great deal for this desk. Okay, I don't know why it stopped, but just to finish what we were saying, anywhere else you go to look for these desks, they are upwards of $1,000 plus. Yeah, I know. We've got all the details about being Costco, but anyway, all right. Thanks a lot. Hope all of you who are watching this are doing well. I hope everyone's doing well, actually, whether they're watching this or not. Thank you. So here we are. It's the next day, and I was starting to get to the point where things were building up on this desk because I'd set my laptop up on there, and I said, you know what, enough is enough. I need to go on and make this transition. I have plans to put some artwork up here on the walls, but in the meantime, I'm just gonna get everything off of this desk, get it onto this desk, move this desk into this corner. So it may seem crazy, but I'll just be facing the wall for the most part. I thought about putting it at an angle like this, but I don't know if that's gonna work for me. So I'm gonna test out a couple things, but